So age-old problem, we want to connect a chrome pipe to our plastic pipe coming through the wall. So put the plastic pipe close to the wall, get your glue, glue your fitting onto there, flush up to the wall, that's like that. So the wall flange, it's a CP42, that's your connection, that's all done now, that's sealed. So that's your cover. So you need to cut your chrome pipe to length, you get the nut and your rubber olive, so that'll go onto there now. Obviously I'm not going to tighten it now because it'll ruin that joint, but then that tightens fully up to there and I'll show you what it's like at the end. As you can see, perfect fitting, and you know that you're not going to have any leaks behind there because that's glued straight to that solvent weld. That's screwed right up so it looks nice and neat and does all fabulous. So all you need to do this job is the McAlpine, that's 1¼ inch chrome to solvent weld, and you need one of these CP42s, it's a wall flange. So there you go, you need those. You know what? That's why I love plumbing.